Hey, I'm Adnan Malik.
And I'm Mira Sethi.
And we're at Mashion HQ.
Doing the BFF Challenge.
Woo!
I mean... Very modest.
Also get my heart.
Very modest.
Matters of the heart. वो मेरे domain में ज़्यादा नहीं तुम्हारे भी काफी हैं.
Oh, definitely. Yes.
Really, I think you're quite emo. Like, I don't cry that much at sad movies.
Okay.
Once in a while. Well, I think both of us, because we forgot yesterday, we had this conversation, neither of us knew the exact date, so.
Chalo. I was the one who actually forgot yours.
I don't remember, I was like 8th, 10th, 12th.
That's true, that's true. I feel very confident in this response.
Okay, now I'm thinking seriously. पहले मैं मजाक कर रहा था.
Acha. Okay. Have a what?
Fashion Insta account.
Which is a fake Instagram account.
Oh. We're like alter egos.
Yeah, actually, it's not.
We project a lot. So we're projecting here, guys. Neither, honestly. Yeah, it's just not. It stresses me out, so I very rarely do it. Ooh.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I would say that.
Yeah, I was thinking like you're a writer, so.
But I'm not into the critique of film. Maybe books.
Darling, not in the critique of. I'm not in the business of critiquing things.
Oh, I feel.
By mistake.
By mistake, it's. Chalo, both of us.
By mistake, because it'll only happen
exactly,
like.
because I've
But by the way,
actually
yesterday.
seen you do it when you were going to the beach.
But can I just say
Oh
for
my
the record,
God.
yesterday I didn't even make eye contact.
Oh yeah, I know. I know.
I was
That
like-
was very smooth.
Yeah.
That was very smooth. Oh, you guys, if only we could tell you what happened today.
But mildly, like half an hour. I mean, I almost did a few.
Oh, cool. So then,
But yeah. But you could do one also.
I really doubt it currently. Neither.
I have never missed.
I have never missed a flight.
My whole, even though I've sometimes been there the last minute, I have never missed a flight. It's kind of amazing.
Oh, I have. Bilal and I missed our flight when we were going to this music festival. So I guess me. Both of us. At the wrong moment. Both of us. Last night we were hanging out and we were just laughing at the wrong moments
We're
relentlessly.
more like kindred spirits.
Have you just realized that? Oh.
Have more.
I get
more? Dude.
Really?
You're like,
Every time I come to Karachi,
She's like, "Acha, mujhe batao."
every time I come to Karachi, I'm like, "Acha, batao."
So you're the one who wants it. I have it.
You have it.
Yeah,
You're
but you
like,
enjoy
oh.
it, so I keep it.
Yeah, I enjoy it.
So what's the question?
Who has more gossip usually?
You have all the gossip.
Do I
You just want
really?
the Karachi gossip.
Okay. Okay, then it's me. Oh.
To hang out together.
Me.
Last time we went out,
Listen.
it was me convincing you to come out.
Usually
and you were
Adnan is
"I'll
like,
be your wing
I'm
woman."
not feeling it, I have a shoot, I'm not in the right mental state, about who's going to look after my cat, I just got off a
When was
hike.
this? I was thinking of the last time we went over to that party and you were like, I don't know, and then you were like, da da da, and then you came out.
That I did.
And you were my wing woman.
Yeah.
It's fun.
I'm literally like standing like this
But
next
then
to
you kind of
him.
didn't want to be my wing woman after that.
They got very repetitive.
Well, why don't you help me with my game?
Yeah. Both of us, I think. This is why we're friends. Wow, I know. Okay, I'm just gonna go for it. I don't know what he's referring to, but I'm gonna go with it.
No, but what I love is you got a really daring kind of, you know, devil may care like approach to fashion, which is fun. You're much more, you're more free.
Ji.
No, that's amazing.
Yeah.
It's fun. It's always fun to see what Mira is going to come up with.
The one that pops out in particular.
Yeah.
It was a stripe.
Yeah. That's what
was that?
No, neither.
Overdressed at a wedding. Yeah, neither. Maybe you with your outfit.
Okay, maybe me.
Because they were like,
Sure.
They were like, ye kya pehna hai?
Yeah. Ye kya patloon pen ke aa gayi hai, more like it. Thank you so much for watching this ridiculous challenge. Please subscribe to Mashion because Mashion is the best.
Yes.